To enhance data protection and safety in the financial technologies ecosystem, stakeholders in the banking sector propose matching software to mitigate risks of cybersecurity.
Is to mitigate the cyber risk. So for any solution that we might come up with working with the fintech partners, we have to come up with strong and robust mitigations to make sure that we mitigate on cybersecurity risk.
In a special innovators and bankers engagement, several recommendations have been given, including appropriate software to improve data protection.
Sharing what is there, but let's look at what are new opportunities that we can create together. Because I don't believe there is a free lunch. There is no free lunch. So what we need to do is to have an incremental mindset of co-creating with fintechs.
While the country is vying for digitalized economy, much of the population is technology literate, which leaves gaps for unscrupulous people to manipulate others.
The core of the infrastructure or of the vertical, which is the education space, you're finding that they're still using very manual processes to handle their day-to-day operations. So, policy at that standpoint would be very necessary, and support from government to onboard or adopt such solutions across the board.
To minimize working in silos, stakeholders in the fintech ecosystem are encouraged to adopt interoperability principle of sharing data centers.
So in terms of individual liability, where do we have ourselves covered in it? So we know we are a young market and we are moving towards the right direction for creating opportunities, but indeed we want to ask that, can we appreciate the role of insurance in the intersections between technology and financial services?
Customers of different financial institutions are faced with problems of fraud and cybersecurity threats, where many have been conned due to inadequate digital knowledge.